Hey guys, and welcome to Mattucci channel. Today I will play the Rise of the Tomb Raider. It's the sequel of the previous Tomb Raider in 2012. It's been one of my favorite games to play ever since. So I will make the first 10 minutes of gameplay with no commentary on this one. I want you to enjoy the full game as you will play it in your house. So I hope you enjoy this video.
We'll have a good view of the valley beyond from the summit.
All right, let's take it easy here. This wind is crazy.
We just need to keep moving.
Hey, even if we don't find anything up here, your dad would be proud.
I know, but I have a good feeling about this. Oh, shit!
You okay?
Lost my footing. I'm fine.
Are you all right?
Jonah! I'm here!
I'll climb down there and get you!
No!
I'll climb down there and get you!
Too dangerous! I can climb back up!
Are you sure?
Just stay put! I need to jump across!
Now grab my hand! Gotcha! Shit, Lara! Looks like we gotta go through. Not bad. If the weather turns, we can hole up in this cave. Do you really think we'll find this lost city?
I know this is a long shot, but that old tracker said he saw ruins up in these mountains.
Well, I guess if I was gonna hide a lost city, this might be the kind of godforsaken place I'd do it.
I just hope Trinity hasn't beaten us to it.
Storm's getting closer. We have a couple hours at most.
Should be enough time. We're almost to the top.
What do you think?
We're close to something, Jonah. I can feel it. Just this last stretch to the top.
All right. Let's see what's up there. Feels pretty solid here, but keep close to the wall.
Okay. Looks like we climb from here.
Keep your eyes open for falling ice.
Right. You ready?
Let's do it!
Let's take it slow and steady. Just stay with me.
Look out!
Oh, shit!
That was close! Can you make it across?
I can make it! Ooh!
Holy shit! I don't think I can make that jump!
Stay there! I'll anchor a line for you at the top!
Alright, I'll give you some slack. Almost there, Laura! You got it!
Jonah! We made it! I see the ruins! Oh god!
Laura! Oh, shit! I got you! Laura! Can you hear me?
Yeah!
I'm gonna pull you back up! Oh, fuck!
There! Over there! Quick! Swing me to the other side!
Okay, here goes. Come on, Laura! Laura! I can't hold you! We're overslipping! Come on! Climb! Climb! Oh, shit! Move, goddammit!
Go back, Jonah! Get to shelter!
It is the greatest cruelty of life that we're all too swiftly taken from it. We age, we decay, we die. But what do we leave behind? Bones? Dust? What of the soul? Does it endure beyond our earthly existence?
Hey, we're heading into a war zone now. We better be sure about this.
We're close. There should be an oasis in the canyon just ahead.
You're wasting your time. There's nothing out here.
Just keep driving, please.
It's your money.
Okay, so there goes the first 10 minutes of gameplay of this game. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And part 2 is coming quite soon. I will be splitting this game in parts, 10 minutes each time. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.